In the vast and undiscovered depths of our cosmos, somewhere between clashing stars and dancing galaxies, exist planets that transcend imagination and test our idea of what's possible. Where some planets are serene and beautiful, there are others brutal and unforgiving. Some of these are cloaked in mystery and may be rightfully called the scariest places in the universe. Astronomical bodies are usually a heavenly fantasy, but these planets are cosmic nightmares. Planets that push the boundaries of human comprehension about what can exist beyond the reach of our eyes. From raining glass to the burning ice, normality on these planets is the unthought. Some of these celestial bodies are rogues and roam around our cosmos in darkness, while others have such lengthy years that 1 year in their world is equivalent to 2 years in ours. But these are not just tales spun from the depths of science fiction. These are actual planets found by daring astronomers and scientists who risked to venture into the unknown. I invite you to see the horrors that await anyone who dares to leave the safety of our Earth. Ready to face the unexplainable, unthinkable, and really horrific? Number 1. WASP 12b. WASP 12b, also known as the Nightmare Planet, is located approximately 1400 light-years away from the Earth in the constellation Auriga. This planet circles its host star incredibly close, resulting in some inconceivable circumstances that distinguish it from our home. The planet takes only a little over an Earth day to orbit its star, in contrast to approximately 365.25 days for the Earth to orbit the Sun. Can you imagine what it would be like to witness the sky ablaze with a perpetual reddish glow? Yet that's only the start of the horrific narrative. You'll be shocked to know WASP 12b is in a state known as tidal locking, which means that one side of the planet is always facing the star, while the other is always cloaked in darkness. With blazing warmth on one side and freezing cold on the other, this sharp contrast generates a cooling impact on its surface. Isn't it fascinating and scary at the same time? Extend your thinking and imagine a world where the gravitational forces can elongate the planet, stretching and distorting it into an oblong shape. The gravitational tides are so strong that they are slowly tearing WASP 12b apart. The planet is so close to its star that its tidal forces are distorting it into an egg shape and pulling away its atmosphere at a rate of about 10 to 7 mJ. Forget Earth's hot and humid weather. WASP 12b describes the temperature as hotter than a flaming chili pepper with an additional source of burning winds. WASP 12b's environment is a horror in and of itself. It's high in carbon and heavy elements, like a smoggy, poisonous soup. The average temperature is 4,600 degrees Fahrenheit, 2,538 degrees Celsius, which is sufficient for melting metals. The planet's atmosphere expands beyond imagination as a result of the scorching heat. Consider gigantic plumes of gas pouring into space, producing an unsettling and breathtaking image. Each day on WASP 12b is like going to an interstellar barbecue festival where the grill is turned to extra crispy and the grilling chef is the sun. The horror does not end here. WASP 12b, according to researchers, is being steadily eaten by its host star. Its destiny is hopeless as it is approaching the cataclysmic destruction of its star. We can't help but be amazed by the secrets of our huge universe. With its blistering heat and unknown fate, this planet offers a harsh reminder of the infinite diversity and danger of planets beyond our own. Number 2. HD 189733b. HD 189733b is a planet located over 64.5 light-years away in the constellation Vulpecula. This gas giant has some mind-blowing characteristics that will keep you on the edge of your seat. First off, HD 189733b is not your typical planet. It belongs to a class of planets known as hot Jupiters due to their massive size and close proximity to their parent stars. In fact, HD 189733b is so close to its star that it completes an orbit in just 2.2 Earth days. This is where things become interesting. HD 189733b has an intriguing and unsettling property. It rains glass. Yep, you heard that correctly. Just imagine yourself in glass rain. Instead of water, this planetary system contains silicate nanoparticles which condense and produce small shards of glass that fall like rain. Rainbows on HD 189733b must appear as amazing light shows through the glass rain. What a refractive sight! So before you begin picturing sharp pieces of glass raining from the sky, relax. The glass rain on HD 189733b is unlike anything on Earth. The glass grains are really molten due to the extreme heat and pressure in the planet's atmosphere. They cool and harden into tiny glass beads as they fall into the lower levels. Romantic or horrific? The alien weather prediction for HD 189733b is as follows. Today, we'll have a 100% probability of rain, with a 0% chance of requiring an umbrella. Can you picture seeing such a captivating show? Standing on HD 189733b's surface, you would observe the sky sparkling with a lovely blue color generated by light scattering in the atmosphere, and those gleaming glass drops glistening against the vivid blue backdrop would produce a scene unlike anything we've ever seen on Earth. Seems beautiful, but it's not. Scientists have been able to study HD 189733b using various instruments and telescopes, such as the Hubble Space Telescope. By analyzing the light passing through the planet's atmosphere during its transit in front of its star, they can determine the composition and properties of the gases present. The blueness of the planet may be the result of Rayleigh scattering. The finding of glass rain on HD 189733b emphasizes the tremendous diversity of worlds outside our solar system. It serves as a reminder that the cosmos is full of wonders and that our knowledge of the cosmology is continuously being challenged. Yet as intriguing as that sounds, you wouldn't like going too near to the glass rain. HD 189733b has temperatures that can exceed 1000 degrees Celsius, 1832 degrees Fahrenheit, making it warmer than the surface of Venus. That's why I said it is horrific rather than beautiful. The air silicates evaporate and create the molten glass droplets that shower down on the planet's surface as a result of the tremendous heat. The strong forces at action in HD 189733b's biosphere are reflected in the glass rain showers. The particles pour down on the globe, continually altering its landscape. Number 3. TRES-2b. TRES-2b, located approximately 750 light-years away from Earth, is a gas giant that orbits very close to its host star. It belongs to a class of planets known as hot Jupiters, but what sets TRES-2b apart is its unique feature. It reflects less than 1% of the light that falls on it, making it darker than coal or black acrylic paint. To put things into perspective, imagine standing on a moonlit night where the Earth's surface reflects around 10 to 12% of the sunlight. Now, imagine the moon, which reflects about 12 to 17% of sunlight. TRES-2b, on the other hand, reflects less than 1%, making it a true champion of darkness in our vast universe. So what causes this extreme darkness? The answer lies in the planet's atmosphere. TRES-2b has a composition rich in light-absorbing substances like vaporized sodium and potassium. These compounds absorb most of the light that hits the planet, resulting in its astonishingly low reflectivity. Imagine standing on the surface of TRES-2b. The environment would be utterly surreal with little to no sunlight. It would be perpetually shrouded in darkness, creating an eerie and mysterious ambience. But don't let the darkness fool you. TRES-2b is a planet of extreme temperatures. Despite its inhospitable conditions, scientists are fascinated by TRES-2b because it challenges our understanding of planetary atmospheres. By studying this dark giant, we can gain insights into the chemistry and physics of exoplanets, expanding our knowledge of the universe. But how do astronomers even detect TRES-2b if it's so dark? Well, they use a technique called the transcend method, by observing the slight dip in brightness when the planet passes in front of its star. Researchers can infer the planet's existence and characteristics. The discovery was confirmed by the W.M. Keck Observatory on September 8, 2006, by measuring the radial velocity of the star that hosts TRES-2b. Furthermore, TRES-2b's close proximity to its parent star plays a significant role. This exoplanet orbits incredibly close to its star, resulting in a tidal locking effect, where one side is constantly facing the star, while the other remains in perpetual darkness. Although TRES-2b might seem like a sinister, light-devouring celestial body, it presents an exciting opportunity for scientists to study the extreme conditions that exist beyond our solar system. By unraveling the secrets of this dark world, astronomers can gain valuable insights into the diversity and complexities of exoplanets throughout the universe. Number 4. Kepler-70b. Kepler-70b, known as the evaporating planet, is an enigmatic world that defies expectations. Located over 2,000 light-years away in the constellation Cygnus, this rocky exoplanet is a true marvel of the universe. Imagine a planet so close to its star that its surface temperature reaches an astonishing 7,000 degrees Celsius. Hot, enough to melt metal. The intense heat causes Kepler-70b to undergo a process known as evaporation. The blistering heat strips away the planet's outer layers, leaving behind a rocky core. This unique phenomenon has captivated astronomers and researchers, providing invaluable insights into the life cycles of planets. Picture a world that slowly disappears over time, vanishing into thin air, and leaves behind an enigmatic residue. But what causes this evaporation? The answer lies in the star itself. Kepler-70, a dying star known as a white dwarf, is responsible for the fate of its companion planet. As Kepler-70 reached the end of its life, it expanded into a red giant, engulfing its planets. However, Kepler-70b managed to survive the engulfment, albeit in a drastically altered state. The proximity to the star's intense radiation and gravitational forces led to the evaporation of Kepler-70b's outer layers. The extreme conditions create powerful winds that blow away the evaporated material, leaving behind only the rocky remnants. But why is Kepler-70b so close to its star? The answer lies in its formation. It's believed that Kepler-70b was once a gas giant, similar to Jupiter, but gradually migrated closer to its star over time. This process, known as orbital migration, occurred due to interactions with other planets or even a close encounter with another star. Imagine standing on Kepler-70b's rocky surface, a barren and desolate world, forever locked in its catastrophic destiny. Its atmosphere blown away, its oceans turned to vapor. It stands as a testament to the forces of nature. Kepler-70b, a planet both tragic and awe-inspiring, reminds us of the boundless wonders of our universe. As we unravel its secrets, we inch closer to understanding the complexity of worlds beyond our own. How did scientists discover this intriguing planet, you may ask? Well, it all started with NASA's Kepler spacecraft, a mission designed to search for exoplanets. Using the transcend method, scientists observed a slight dip in the star's brightness as Kepler-70b passed in front of it. This subtle clue led to the discovery of this remarkable exoplanet. Number 5. Gliese 436b. In the vast expanse of space, there are worlds that defy our expectations, where nature weaves a tapestry of paradoxes. Join us today as we embark on a fascinating journey to a planet that challenges our understanding of what it means to be frozen and yet ablaze. Gliese 436b, aptly named the burning ice planet, dances gracefully around its star in the constellation Leo. At first glance, it seems to defy logic, a planet covered in a layer of ice, yet exposed to searing temperatures. Imagine a world where fire and ice coexist, a paradoxical landscape where temperatures soar to a staggering 439 degrees Celsius despite its icy appearance. Gliese 436b challenges the laws of physics and ignites our curiosity. What makes this frozen inferno possible? The answer lies in the planet's unique characteristics and its close proximity to its star. The atmosphere of Gliese 436b holds the key to its paradox. It consists of a delicate balance of hydrogen and helium, creating a thin shield that contains the planet's internal heat. The intense gravity from the red dwarf star adds to the complex interplay of forces shaping this extraordinary world. Gliese 436b belongs to a class of planets known as hot Neptune. Despite being much larger than Earth, its tight orbit around its star subjects it to intense radiation and gravitational forces. The planet's atmosphere contains a significant amount of hydrogen, which creates a greenhouse effect, trapping heat and maintaining its scorching temperatures. This unusual balance between heat and ice has astounded scientists. But how does the ice on Gliese 436b withstand such blistering heat? The answer lies in the immense pressure exerted on the planet's surface. The gravity on Gliese 436b is so intense that it compresses the icy layer, transforming it into a strange form known as hot ice. Under these extreme conditions, the ice behaves like a solid, despite its high temperatures. Imagine standing on the surface of Gliese 436b, a world of shimmering ice that burns hotter than lava. It's a realm where our perceptions of heat and cold intertwine, challenging our understanding of planetary dynamics. Gliese 436b stands as a testament to the boundless diversities of the universe. Its existence challenges our assumptions and pushes the boundaries of what we know. In unraveling its secrets, we discover that reality can be astonishing and contradictory as our wildest dreams. As we explore its mysteries, we gain a deeper appreciation for the extraordinary diversities that lies beyond our own celestial doorstep. Number 6. OGLE 2005 BLG 390LB. This celestial entity has received the nickname the Forbidden Planet because of its enigmatic character, since it resides in a region that has baffled scientists for years. Just like the typical serial killer from movies, mysterious, difficult to catch, and horrific too. Buckle up and prepare for a thrilling journey. Our story begins with the OGLE 2005 BLG 390LB, a captivating exoplanet that orbits a distant star beyond our solar system. Situated approximately a star 2,150 plus or minus 3,300 light years, 6,600 plus or minus 1,000 parsecs from Earth, near the center of the Milky Way in the galactic bulge, making it one of the most distant planets known. This planet has captured the imaginations of scientists and stargazers alike. Its very existence challenges our understanding of the universe and its countless wonders. The galactic bulge is a thick area towards the center of the Milky Way that is densely packed with stars. It is difficult to view because of its closeness to the galactic center and the shroud of interstellar dust. This celestial forbidden planet conceals its mysteries inside its depths. Scientists were perplexed by the forbidden planet. How could they investigate a world that was practically impossible to sight directly? But you know from personal experience, where there's a will, there's a way. The OGLE 2005 BLG 390LB is an enticing find. It was discovered using the micro-lensing technique, which involves observing how the planet's gravitation distorts and amplifies light from a background star. This strategy enables scientists to identify the existence of this enigmatic universe. The astronomers conceived a brilliant strategy. They might learn a lot about OGLE 2005 BLG 390LB's structure, mass, and even atmosphere by closely examining the microlensing event. Aliens presumably deal with a completely new set of traffic issues on OGLE 2005 BLG 390LB, such as managing asteroid congestion, while we're angry about someone cutting us off for the third time this past week. Isn't it intriguing? To learn more about this enigmatic planet, consider its extraordinary traits as well as the difficulties astronomers confront in researching it. The planet is believed to have 5 times the mass of Earth, 5.5 plus 5.5, so minus 2.7 m-Earth, and it orbits its home star at a distance comparable to the Earth-Sun gap. Scientists can't see it because of its great distance from us and the thick cosmic environment. Yet based on what they know so far, it may be a gas giant or possibly a super-Earth with a thick atmosphere and an unpleasant climate. The atmospheric temperature of the planet is most likely about 50 K, or minus 220 degrees Celsius, minus 370 degrees Fahrenheit, rendering it one of the coldest known. If it's a rocky planet, this temperature suggests that the surface will be formed of freezing volatiles, which are liquids or gases on Earth. Water, ammonia, methane, and nitrogen would all be solid. If it is not a rocky planet, it would be more similar to an ice gas planet like Uranus, but much smaller. The Forbidden Planet continues to raise issues that may take years, if not decades, to resolve, just like serial killer stories. However, this perplexing environment encourages us to push the limits of our knowledge of the cosmos. Number 7. WASP-18b. WASP-18b, a planet around 410 light-years away, is a cosmic wonder. This huge gas giant is so near to its star that it challenges our standard understanding of the universe. WASP-18b is a small extrasolar planet with an orbital period of less than 1 day. Consider a planet so big that it has an effect on the form of its star. The star's gravitational pull causes tremendous tides, causing the star's surface to stretch and twist. A lovely candlelight meal on WASP-18b would be like playing with fire. Literally. Earth's candlelight meals are far safer, unless you fail to extinguish them, so take care of your Mother Earth planet. Researchers have been investigating this interesting phenomena for years. Armed with cutting-edge telescopes and years of commitment, these findings have offered amazing insights to the nature of this faraway world. WASP-18b's gravitational tides are absolutely mind-boggling. It's like seeing a cosmic ballet. The intense tidal forces pull and stretch the star, causing it to elongate along the axis facing the planet. It's an extraordinary example of the intricate play between celestial bodies. Scientists have never seen anything quite like it. On WASP-18b, a beach vacation consists of being burnt alive in molten lava. WASP-18b's atmosphere is a fierce and inhospitable place. Its close proximity to its star means it experiences scorching temperatures exceeding 3,800 degrees Fahrenheit, 2,093 degrees Celsius. Its heated gas giant's surface is wrapped in whirling clouds of strange chemicals, producing a surreal environment. WASP-18b's gravitational forces cause the star to pulse and vibrate, exposing details about its underlying structure and composition. Scientists can learn a lot about the star's attributes by examining its pulsations. It's like a cosmic symphony, giving us a narrative about the cosmos. But WASP-18b's story does not end there. This perplexing planet begs more inquiries than it addresses. We're still puzzled as to how WASP-18b got so near to its star in the first place. It defies conventional theories of planetary genesis and movement. Investigating the riddles of the WASP-18b tests our knowledge and forces us to reconsider our assumptions. WASP-18b, a planet unlike any other, performs a cosmic ballet with its star, altering its structure and unveiling the mysteries of our cosmos. Who knows what additional surprises await us in the expanse of space as we continue to study it. Number 8. PSR B1257+12c. Think about a world where the very fabric of reality is shaped by the pulsar's intense magnetic fields and its rapid rotation. PSR B1257+12c, with its rugged landscape, is a testament to the extreme forces at play. Born from the remnants of a massive star, PSR B1257+12c endured a cataclysmic event that shaped its destiny. Caught in the gravitational grip of the pulsar, this planet emerged, forged in the crucible of cosmic violence. PSR B1257+12c, located approximately 2,315 light-years. It was discovered using the pulsar timing method, where the regular pulses of a pulsar are measured to determine if there is a planet causing variations in the data. Life here, if it exists, would have to adapt to the harshest of environments. The unrelenting radiation from the pulsar showers the planet's surface, challenging the boundaries of what we know about life's tenacity. However, the most astounding aspect of PSR B1257+12c lies in its peculiar orbital dance. This planet orbits its pulsar host star at an astonishingly close distance, completing a full revolution in a mere 25 days. The scorching heat from the pulsar bathes its surface in relentless radiation, making it an inhospitable and dangerous environment for any form of life as we know it. Deep within the halls of scientific discovery, dedicated researchers strive to unravel the enigmatic nature of PSR B1257+12c. Armed with state-of-the-art instruments and an insatiable curiosity, they embark on a quest for understanding. PSR B1257+12c offers us a glimpse into the extremes of the universe. By studying the effects of high-energy radiation on this planet, we hope to unlock the secrets of how life can adapt and survive in the most hostile environments. In Earth's atmosphere, a protective shield offers a nurturing environment for life to flourish. Its oxygen-rich composition supports a vast array of organisms, enabling complex ecosystems to thrive. On PSR B1257+12c, life, if it exists, would have to adapt to the relentless barrage of high-energy radiation. The organisms that may inhabit this world showcase an extraordinary resilience, pushing the boundaries of what we understand about life's tenacity. While PSR B1257+12c may not share Earth's vast water sources, the presence of water, if found, would be a precious resource and a testament to the ingenuity of life to adapt to even the harshest conditions. Through painstaking observation and rigorous experimentation, scientists gather vital data, piecing together the intricate puzzle of PSR B1257+12c. Each discovery brings them closer to understanding the limits of life's endurance. And then, a breakthrough. Scientists uncover signs of microbial life, microscopic organisms that have adapted to the relentless bombardment of high-energy radiation. It's a testament to life's astonishing resilience and the ingenuity of evolution. PSR B1257+12c, a world that defied our expectations, a haven for life against all odds. This discovery sparks a profound shift in our understanding of the universe and ignites a new era of exploration as we search for life in the most extreme corners of the cosmos. Our intrepid expedition transports us to a far-flung planet nestled in the remotest reaches of the cosmos, defying the very laws that govern our understanding of the universe. Remember that space is huge, and its secrets are limitless. There are many planets like mentioned before that break physics laws. Our next trip leads us to a planet in the remote regions of the universe. Stay tuned.